Thanks guys for coming to the channel. This is my 2002 Subaru WRX. I want to do one more LED upgrade. I had to wait till night to kind of demonstrate what's going on, and you have to put a key in there. Kind of old school, but anyways, I'm gonna put the key in here. See if I can activate the light now. Not yet. I gotta get the parking lights on. There we go. So the one thing, hit the beep. The one thing that's going on is that it's not very bright. The dimmer is already set to max. You can see there, and you can also see the bottom right here. The tachometer is kind of faded, so I think a bulb is out too. So I bet you money, like everything else I've done in this car, this is the original light bulbs. There are actually light bulbs in here, so I'm gonna take it apart, get some more brightness. In person it's actually pretty dim. It looks brighter in the video, quite honestly, but in person it's more dim. So I want to change those bulbs. So I'm gonna try to take it out and change the bulbs, and then we'll show it when it's brighter. Okay, be back. All right, I am trying to hurry up before dark because I hate working in the dark, but I have worked in the dark, so it's kind of a thing. So 2 Phillips screws. Here, get the bezel out. There you go. Come on. Yep. Make sure you don't lose your screws. This pulls out, from my understanding. Nice and easy. And let's see, 3 screws I see there. I'll point them in a second. One here, and one there. And the way they sit, you can't really drop them. That's good. And this one. Alright, yank this out, look out for wires. Hi Joanna, you're not cold? You're on top. Okay, one on the right. Okay. Okay. So I got these tiny LEDs. Bright shine. Chantac. Okay, come over here.
Okay.
So, oh, one is out. So they are tiny. Can you guys see this? These are tiny little bulbs. So it's supposed to be non-polarized, Oh, these are tiny.
Daddy, stand here. Because I'm cold.
It is cold. Turn that down a little bit, please. It's too loud. So,
what's this?
These are non-polarity.
What's
so it's the glove compartment. Leave it there.
Why?
It's okay. So these are non-polarized. The LEDs. So we'll see. Shouldn't matter which way I stick them in. So those are gauges, not gauges. Let's see the light here. Interesting, there's missing one here. I don't know what light's missing.
Dad, I want to turn on my iPhone 8.
A little bit, my hands are busy. I gotta hurry up before it's too dark. Okay.
Yeah, I want to go on a walk and shop.
I think one day you can.
Really? And I can be older?
Yeah. Why not?
Soon because you're old?
You don't run out of time? No, I got time. Let's see.
What are you doing?
What is that light missing?
Your mom not to die.
Yes. So this one's not on, but this one is. So whatever this is over here. Let's say, is this bulb dead? Let's see. Oh, I totally missed it. Put that one in. Let's get that guy in there. All right, let's see if that did it. There we go. Oh, wow.
Take off.
Yeah. So those are red.
And it's like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
And the dimmer works
5,
too.
4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Go.
Yeah. Alright. Let's put this all back. And then we'll be right back. So we are back. It's super dark because I want you guys to see that interior. I gotta flip this on. And there we go. It's red. Before it was green, now it's red. Now I didn't change those bulbs, that bulb or this bulb. I only changed 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5, 6 areas here. And that's how you get the red. Next thing I want to do, Joanna, hi. I want to get this to red. So I'll do another video once I figure out how to pop this out without breaking anything. But I want to focus on that. So that's where it is. So thanks for watching. I'll put the link in the description where to get this bulb. All right, and Peace out.